Welcome again into Benimosh Graphics. In today's video, we are going to be doing a design breakdown of how I was able to come up with this poster, how I was able to come up with this idea of creating this design. So we are going to be doing it from scratch, how I was able to come up with this idea, where I got the resources, the names of the resources and everything, so that you can understand my design process. So without further ado, let's move into the tutorial. So first of all, let me uh let me close all these layers. So in today's tutorial, you will understand where I get my inspiration from, the people I get inspiration from, and how I apply them in order not to be claimed for ownership. So this design was inspired by me expressing my love to my mom. That was Mother's Day. That was a Mother's Day. So I decided to create this flyer for my mom because she's been a supportive person to me, and she's even more than my mom. She's just like a blessing. So I got inspiration from my mom. Let me say, first time I got it from my mom to create this design, and then from for the second thing, I got this inspiration from this guy right here, this designer right here. I've forgotten the name. I've got the inspiration from this guy also, which is the second person. And for the layout, I got the layout from this design also, from which is Allen, Chigozie Allen. So he's a big designer from Nigeria. If you have not followed him, you can go and follow him. He's creating very amazing designs. So first of all, what I brought was what I downloaded was this image, which is this one. So for you to get this image, you search for a woman with a child. So when you search for a woman with a child, all these resources are downloaded them from Pinterest. So you can get all of these resources from Pinterest. So when you search for a woman with a child, you will get this. You can explore and get what you want for your design. So I got this from Pinterest, which I've already told you what I searched, what I tagged before I was able to get this. So I brought this. Then I wanted to make this spicy, and then to create something like my mom is my world. So from there I got this also, which is this globe. Let me see how I search like the world globe, the world map. You can search for the world map or the world globe. When you search for it, you get many of them, then you choose the one that you want. So I decided to put this image, this globe in front, because like it creates, like I wanted to be able to place my text in order to bring out my design composition very well, because in design, composition is the best thing in your design. So you have to make sure your composition is out. That is why I brought this image, and then I sent the woman and the boy back, just to make sure my composition will be correct. So from here, I have to from here let me see, I have to bring my text. I have to bring this feed here. You see this feed, like, just to create something that can be able to blend with the text that I'm going to put on it. So this from this feed here, you see the color was gotten from this globe. I choose the color from this globe, which is I choose the color from this globe. So this feed color was gotten from the globe. The color was gotten from this globe here. So every color that is here was gotten from the globe. All this white, the white is on the globe as well. So I got this color from the globe, and this the reason why I prefer this color more than the white is that this woman is also having the dress is also having the same color, and this boy too, the bag is also having the same color, which matches the design and also inspires the design as well. That is why I choose that color without even wondering to choose white. That is the reason behind the color. So I brought the happy Mother's Day. Then I brought this as well. So happy Mother's Day, I will always love you. So where did this is where I got the layout. This is where I got the layout. You see how this guy places his text is how I place my, but I make sure my layout is different. So this creates some this person right here, this designer right here, will know that I got this layout from him, but he can never claim this design as like he's stealing design. No, I've not stolen the design. I make sure to create it in my own way. So this is just a creative thinking. Like, you have to know when to leave and you have to know when to be in. So you have to know when to use all these things and to use it at the right way. You get? So I got this layout from this guy right here, but I use it in a different way because I use it as center alignment, but he used it on left alignment as well. So it's quite of simplicity. So that is where I got this layout from. So these ones too, let me these ones, the sweet words for my mom, all of them was so this layout also was gotten from this design also. So Chigozie Allen design, I got this layout from this design. You see how this all of this was being done. You see this layout here, that is what I did here. But you will not if you are not if you are not following this guy, you will not know. Some people may know that I've gotten this layout from this guy, but they can't the design is quite different because I just pick out the layout only. So this the principle of still like an artist. So I'm creating a course on this. So if you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe so that you'll get notified if the course is ready. How to still like an artist as a designer. So this is very, very important because I've seen so many designers create the same designs from people. When they just see a design, they copy everything, content. Sometimes they only change the content, but the design layout and everything, composition is the same thing, which is some people you may get locked off because they have jailed many people because of ownership of designs and so many things, because like they claim you are stealing their designs and so many on, and this may affect you in many ways. So I'll be creating a course on this. So if you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that if the course is ready, you'll get notified. So this is where I got the design layout, and then I brought out this. I don't want this video to be long. I brought out this to spice the layout also. These images right here, I brought out these images right here to spice the design. So that is why I brought these images right here. So I brought this as a background. This one right here, I brought it as a background. So you may see like if you check very well, you see something like this on the background. So that is where I brought this image, then I send it to back. So let me crop this image and you see how it is. So I brought this image and then I send it to back, and then I reduce the opacity. The reason behind this image is just to create something like a word like holding my mom. Like this is just visualization. So all the design I create comes from creativity and visualization. So if you're a designer, you know much about this. So that is where I got this. So this is all my process of bringing design to life. So if you gain knowledge from this video, you can subscribe to the channel, also turn on the notification bell so that if I create this course of still like an artist, you can get to know, you can get to be notified so that you can be an early adopter to the course, because you are going to be getting a 50% discount on the course as a first to notify. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share to your fellow designers as well. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.